number 7. So y is equals to ln multiplied by e raised to x times x squared. So take note that in the form ln of ab is equals to ln of a plus ln of b. So derivative of e raised to x is equals to e raised to, so we take note that e raised to u is equals to eu du over dx. So let's proceed. So we have y is equals to ln e raised to x plus ln multiplied by x squared. So we have y prime is equals to, so derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u. So 1 over e raised to x, u is equals to e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is just equals to e raised to x. So plus, so we have ln x squared, so 1 over u. So u is equals to x squared, so derivative of u is equals to x squared, so derivative of x squared is equals to 2x. So we have y prime is equals to, so we'll cancel e raised to x. So we have 1 plus, we have 2x. So we'll cancel x. So we have 2 over x. So we will combine terms. So y prime is equals to x. So x plus 2. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to x plus 2 all over x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.